Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
My name is Hamdi. I am Egyptian, but I live in Dubai for a long time. Actually, before I don't have any experience about network before Miss Lindy. she tried to recruit me to Rewi before, but I recruit her to my life.
Power! Ang haba ng buhok, putulan! Ang haba!
Actually, before I don't believe for network marketing because in our Arab countries it's not easy to push people to join to that. All people have idea about that. It's scam. Yeah, really. But because maybe people need the easy money, no need tension, no need routing, no need, and we have something shy to speak to anyone about the business like that. So he will not take bad idea about us. But when Lindy tell me about the business, I believe her because I believe her first before the network marketing. Yeah.
Panalo, panalo.
Perfect! Habang ang here, may actor na tayo. Listen!
And now, in first time when I joined to network, I start to learn about it. Then later, I can speak good about the network marketing with people. I can push people to join to business. And now I start to believe that for medicine, if you just take medicine without believe it, you will never be recovering from your problem. Even you drink water only and you believe it will recover you, you will be recovering and you will be good. So we should believe to our work first before we do anything. Don't looking to I need work for reason to collect money only. You will never successful. If you looking to network marketing or I network company like reason for life, maybe God give you a long life for do that and helping more people to earn money. Just that. Now we try to take iNetwork to Dubai. We will start to. Actually, we start already to process the documents for Dubai business iNetwork, and I sure we can open the branch in next February. I will introduce all people here to to Dubai. Yeah, sure. After we can do something there because I sure it's very good place to do iNetwork. And I believe the product iNetwork because it's not hard to push people to do because if I don't need to speak to anyone and I just need to join, I will give him one sachet. He will drink, then I will come in tomorrow to him. He will ask me to pay without any word. Yeah, because it's very affectable. It's very effective and so quickly. No need 6 months like another product to, and you're not sure it will happen or not. You just drink one Zenzoria and he will come in back to you to pay this one like drug. Yeah,
I'd like a
I'm
shabu.
sure about that. So I hope all people here can arrive to the goal and everyone have the goal in his life. And my goal in my life to be with Lingy for a long time.
Forever!
Umapila.
May kapatid ba yan?
Ano ba? Ano sa likod?
May kamag-anak ba yan?
Napunta namin yung book ni Ito. Napakahaba.
Actually, I'm very happy to be here because before I work in maybe 12 jobs, different jobs before to arrive to something good, to arrive to what I searching. Many job more than what you think. I work like electrification and construction building before and pest control. I never feeling shy to say that because I'm very happy to where I arrived until now. And when Lindy meet me, we meet in Dubai because when she meet me, I arrived to. I am manager of Desert Safari Camp in Dubai. Yeah, I am very proud of what I do in my life. I never feeling shy from anything I do because this is experience. Even until now, we still searching about what is better for us. So don't feeling shy to whatever where you're coming or whatever. Just be feeling good and proud of where you arrived until now. Because if you still feeling shy, you will never do anything. You will still same. You will never cross even one step. I'm very happy to everyone here, and I hope we meet you soon in Dubai. Thank you so much. Yes.
Ako lagi kay kog tingog. Mama Rani afraid if I will not talk English. Don't worry, I'm good in English. By the way, so thank you so much for coming here to Malaysia with me. Actually, I'm always praying that I can bring 20 people because once I say I will do it. I will not. I told Dr. Rani that if I will commit 20, it should be 20. Nothing more, nothing less. So I bring 20 with me. So because as leader, once you commit, you have to do something to to prove yourself that you have your word in business. So my husband is, we have this agreement that in business he will follow me, but in life I will follow him. So 50-50, 50-50. So that's why when we go out for business, I am the boss. When we go in our house, so he is the boss. Okay, so I am so thankful to God that I meet a person who cares me, who love me, who do everything for me.
Sana may forever. May forever.
He keeps praying before meeting I network, and I know God answered his prayer and my prayer also. And this company is a company that we will work for a better life, not for us but for everyone, because we've been through a lot of challenges. My husband started from humble beginning. He has a lot of experience in life, a hard work experience. Me also, I've been through a lot, but because we are very open-minded and we are very, very true to ourselves, because as my father said, when I dream my father, he said, be yourself. He always tell me that word, that be yourself. That's why even I'm not really good in everything, but for me, I'm already good for myself. But I want to make it better for me, because the first thing that I will do, this is the best for me. But if I will do it second time, that is for a better way. So some people think that they will do more to make it best, but the first thing that you experience in your life is the best experience, the best. But to make it more pa, so that is better way, better opportunity in life. So for me, in my experience in network marketing, if I will commit myself, I'm not committing anyone, but I always start to commit myself. If I will commit myself, I'm shy to myself. If I will not, I cannot do what I told to myself, because I always talk to myself. That's how Lindy brought myself to this world, no? Because I control myself. I teach myself And then because of that experience, that's why I'm now here. I become a leader because that is also my happiness to lead people. Because leading people, I can feel that I can help a lot. I can share my experience, not my knowledge, but my experience. Because knowledge is very, very difficult to share, but experience is very easy to share. And because of that sharing of experience, you can motivate and inspire people. So they have this a way to, to try to themselves also, and then to avoid themselves not to do this because Lindy experienced this bad. I want to do this because Lindy experienced this good. So that's how I use myself as an instrument that I can help people to think what is good and what is bad. I said to myself, I asked God why I have a lot of experience, so bad experience in my life, because God used me to show people that this is bad way. So I don't want to do bad, but because I cannot also, sometimes even you go in the right direction, but sometimes some people will lead you to the bad direction also. That's why just keep on praying, just keep asking God guidance, and the wisdom through experience is priceless, no? And then through the iNetwork, I can feel that this is the whole package that I really wanted in the business. The whole package that everyone can join, everyone can become successful. That's why I want to lead people for success. That's why I keep on working. I show everyone that this is me. This is how I work, because sometimes people are still sleeping. They are not waking up through the how they heard, but through the picture that I'm sending, through the result that they looking at me. I'm sure I can wake up all the sleeping giant. The sleeping giant. I always think that people have their own talent, their own skills and expertise in life. Sometimes the leader is the one know that what is your potential in life. Sometimes we don't know what is our potential in life, what is our potential on our own, but our leader know your potential. That's why leader is the one reminding you, the one guiding you, aside from God guidance, no? Because I'm sure that if your heart, your intention is good in iNetwork, no one will not successful. But it takes time to sacrifice your time, your effort, your generosity. So, because that way, if you will start now, and then soon, we will become very, very successful here. So, do not complain if you start little, but soon you will become so big, or you can conquer the market, because no one earn big if they will not start little, no? So just trust the company, trust your leadership, trust the people who work with you, because if no trust, no respect, no, then everyone should be complement, so that for me, it's not really easy to be a leader, and to start the business is very, very easy to say, to say that I can do this, I can do that, but to maintain is so difficult. So consistency is very important to maintain our business. And I hope that you believe the company, believe the leadership, believe the product, so that miracle will happen. So nothing is impossible. Just believe in God, believe the company, believe your leader, believe everything that you do every day, so that nothing is impossible. And I hope that this trip that iNetwork provide us will give us more motivation and will lead us to the right direction. We have this big goal in life, because the more big the big goal that you want in your life, meaning you have big also responsibility for other people. But if your goal is very little, it means you are selfish. That's why you should have a big goal, because you want to have a big responsibility in life. So we need to enjoy our life by helping people, by giving them opportunity, and networking is the best opportunity, the best business to share opportunity, to lead people in a good opportunity in life, no? Because a little capital, but very, very big opportunity for everyone. So thank you so much, and I hope that for the coming event, like our launching, everyone will cooperate, because our goal is 10,000 to 15,000, because we have this leader like Doc Mark, who give me more encouragement to bring a lot of people, and we have so much strategy in this event, because this is the first event, big event in the Philippines for iNetwork, and we will show to everyone that if they will belong to iNetwork, they will be proud also to be part of iNetwork family. So the last safe golden home, iNetwork, and I'm sure with that, because I feel it, I really, really love to be part of this company. So the leadership of Dr. Arani, my mentor, my mother, my everything in business, and we build relationship not for the business but in life also. So personal, like we feel very, very close in a short period of doing the business for 6 months, and I am so privileged and honored that I was mentored with the Iron Lady in Malaysia. Yeah, never sleep, never stop talking, and very, very emotional, because she works by heart. That's why she is really affected right away by through heart, no? So she loved to work by heart. That's why I see the sincerity. And my husband said, you know, Dr. Arani is a very kind person. Because first time meeting here in Malaysia with Dr. Arani, and you know, I'm so inspired every day because of my husband, because of my children who really believe in me. They are so proud of me, and my leaders who always follow me, because a leader is once upon a time, a good leader is once upon a time a good follower, right? So thank you so much, and have a blessed day to us, and victorious vacation in Malaysia. So to God be the glory. Thank you so much. Good morning.
Pwede mo tago. Okay, good morning everyone. I'm Jessica Franconas from Digos City.
Digos pala siya.
Okay, of coming here sa Malaysia. Lisod good kayo. Dili ko mag-cry. Dili ko crying lady. Pero tears of happiness. Okay, pag-join yun ako sa network, sa iNetwork, because of Lindy. I'm very happy for her. Kay, she is untiring. Kaya bitaw mo motivate sa iyang mga tao. So, muhilak man ko, musuka man, pero hindi sosoko. Okay, I joined networking business because I want to develop myself. Kay ulawon ba ako? Even I am a teacher, pero ulawon ko, pero ako lang yung i-fight. Kung unsa man ako ang fair, ako ang gina-fight. So, to develop myself, ako ang aduan ang place nga walay nakaila sa tuwa, especially sa Manila or sa Luzon. So, niabot ko dito nga wala ko'y kaila. So, nangita lang ko usa ka kasen nako. Then, siya na dahil ang contact nako to our relatives, to our friends. even dili mga kaila. So one time nag-gather siya og group. So first time nga gi-introduce nako ang iNetwork product. So because to motivate them or to have a challenge nga makakuha gyud ko sa ilaha even one box. So I told them I am traveling around the world just to share this product. So siguro effective siya kay una, we are traveling around the world just to share the product. So na-prove na ko nga kanang imo di ang pagkaulawon ayaw yun na huna ang makababag siya sa imuha. So imo yung i-work ang imong imong i-fight ang imong fear. Kung unsa imong hadlok, imo yung i-fight nga dili gyud kang hadlok. Even mo adto ka sa usa ka lugar nga wala kay kaila. Kay once mo katawa na sa imuha, market na nimo. So akong challenge karon nga nakaabot ko og Manila nga wala koy mga kaila. So ang purpose nako is to experience. Mo ride ko og LRT, mo ride ko og MRT, so dili na ka ma-ignorante, di ba? So naa na ka experience. Then sharing the products to dili nimo kaila is lisod yun. Mo na naingon ko nga ang networking business lisod yun siya. Ug ang life is wala yun sayon. So go lang yun ka. So akong purpose kung going to Dubai, makadala ko og at least 5 leaders. So okay na siguro ng starting. So mo na akong challenge karon nga makamotivate ko og leaders nga at least 5 leaders akong madala sa Dubai. Kaya target gyud nako is the best gyud ang market sa Dubai. I know. Ay daghan kayo Filipino dito.
Yes.
So,
daghan.
thank you so much for the opportunity by the person of Doc Rani na develop ang among personality. Then the product is very effective. It gives healing to our health, especially sa ako ang family. Kay ako ang husband is a dialysis patient. So I'm hoping na usa siya nga matagaan ng healing. And why I work hard? Because of my family, because of my children. Kaya usa may ako na experience nga mga bad experience, dili ko gusto mahitabo sa akong mga anak. And 2 years from now, my aim is dili na issue ang kwarta. So ingana ako ang motivation sa ako ang kapalingan. Oh, thank you so much. So thank you so much again for the iNetwork company, Doc Rani and Miss Lindy for untiring support. Dili man money, but the time and motivation. Thank you so much and good morning everyone.
Right, let's give a round of applause. Good morning, everyone.
Malapit na lilipat na ako kayo.
The topic is how many leaders we bring in Dubai. For me, as before I say how many people I bring, I am Lusonia Kipanis from Dangkagan, Bukidnon. Thanks, Ma'am Lindy, for bringing us here in Malaysia, although I came here another company. Doc Rani, thank you. I promise to bring 6 leaders in my network. 6 leaders. So hopefully, we double, but as of now, I bring Dubai 6 leaders. So, thank you and good morning to everyone.
English.